Good evening, everybody. I was going to do a reading on Rita Gutierrez Garcia, and she is a young woman that has been missing in Colorado after leaving a bar, it sounds like, and they've been looking for her body, her family. So I have a few potential areas where she could be up here, and we'll just see what happens with this reading. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so the pendulum is sinking down. It was a slow kind of sinking feeling of death. Okay, so her body now, her body. Okay, so we're going to take a look at some of these areas where it might be, or see if we get any other messages with this reading for Rita. Okay, it's still very heavy, the pendulum, extremely heavy. Right, so young woman traveled a bit after she left that bar. Traveled with someone, with man, traveling, let's see, was it mountain terrain? Okay, so it's getting heavier when mountain terrain is spoken. And with Colorado, really, a lot of it is mountain terrain. It's a gorgeous area. All right, so this is the bar that she left, Three's Bar. Okay. You can see she's traveling, right? Traveling. Some circular thing. I don't know. I'm just going to let this flow. And see where it takes us. If it takes us to anything that's beneficial in the search for Rita's body. Okay, so it is showing the dirt. It is showing, is this right? Showing the dirt. Okay, so she is there in the dirt. Okay. In the dirt near grassy area. Longmont. So here's Longmont. This is where she lived. Is she in the Longmont area? No, she's not. She's not in the Longmont area. Okay, there's some other areas, along the route there. Okay, different routes. So is she en route to somewhere else? Okay, so saying no. Okay, and then down below we do have Rollins Pass, I believe. Okay, so Rollins Pass, is this where Rita is? Or is she en route there from Longmont? Okay, is Rita en route? Okay, so Rita's not here. Rita is not in Rollins Pass. Right? So then we have another area that they were considering. It is the Rocky Mountain Arsenal. Okay, now that's getting very heavy and dropping down when Rocky Mountain Arsenal is spoken. Well, let's see what happens. Is her body in Rocky Mountain Arsenal? Okay, and then it drops down. So that's interesting. It feels like there's more energy around that area, okay, than the others so far. You can see it goes there and then drops down, just showing, you know, that the body being buried. Okay, and let's still keep going though and see what other you know, what else comes? What other energetic story comes from these other images? Okay, so here's Rita. Okay, so then we go up to the Rabbit Mountain. Rabbit Mountain. Boulder County. Open space. Okay, so let's see here. Rabbit Mountain. Okay, so what it feels like, interestingly, is Rocky Mountain Arsenal carries the most energy for this reading. You can see how it just drops down. Okay, Rabbit Mountain, let's see, there's a bit of a lifting feeling. Okay, there's more lifting. It's not dropping down heavy to, you know, as if to say the body is buried there. Let's see if this is right, what is happening here. Okay, so it does come down a little bit, but it doesn't sink like that. It sort of, you know, goes down, but not fully. Okay, is this right? What is being said in this reading? Okay, so yes. This one, boom. Okay, this one. Okay, there's a no by it. She's not in Longmont. This one. Okay, there's a no by it. Rollins Pass and Route. No, okay. In this area, okay, it drops down, so I don't know if it's around it or near it. The body, I don't know how much they've searched for it there, and I don't know if there's mountains in there. There's some mountain ranges somewhere, you know, because that's what it felt like originally looking at it. There was some rolling hills in there. Okay. Okay, that's all that I can show you is that what's happening here in this area. Let's see, Rita. Okay, let's see what else comes. Rita Gutierrez, she is a mother. It's very, how sad is that? Okay, predator involved. Okay, this is something that sounds like is out there and known. Predator. Okay, you can see when you go near her, it sinks down. It's like it may have been a slower, he may have waited a while before he killed her. Is that what this is about? You know, it doesn't just go quickly, it feels like. Okay, so that's sad to hear. Okay, Predator Man. Okay, so you see it tapping around her face. Why? I'm not sure. We just need to wait sometimes, and then you get the message around her neck. Okay, so something happened around her neck. Okay, so that is saying, yeah, something happened there in terms of this, like asphyxiation, you know. Is this right? Okay, so that's the feeling. Okay, she is, I do see her image, and she is holding her neck, like saying he strangled me. Okay, her hands are around her own neck, showing that he strangled me. Okay. What else comes through with Rita? Okay, again, death. Let's see where things go with her. Maybe she can kind of show us some of the area, her energy. Okay, so it's dragging more over here, as you can see. We feel this drag, again, more up to this Rocky Mountain Arsenal. Interesting. Dragging there. And then it kind of stays by Rabbit Mountain a bit. And that's a bit what it showed. Rabbit Mountain, it came down a bit. It didn't sink as heavy. So this is all that I can show you, that this drags higher there. It's got a stronger pull, but there is a bit of a pull towards Rabbit Mountain. the heaviest pull there. It's not going to the other areas. Okay, pulling more, you see. Okay, we're going to work with her a little. I don't know. You never know how these readings will come out. It's just, you know, it's really holding up against her. Really like a magnet to Rita. And then you feel it drag up to this area, okay? Dragging. I don't know if it's outside of that area, but it does want to drag around there. Okay, here. Okay, it will go right back, come up. Okay. Okay, so let's see if there's anything else coming from Rita's reading. Okay, so again, I'm feeling or hearing strangulation. Okay, he had his hands there. He had his hands around my neck. What is this, I thought? What is this, I thought? What is happening to me? I'm dying. I'm a dead woman. She knew it. Okay, she knew it, and this was something that in her mind there was a feeling of life is gone for her. She was thinking then about her family, thinking then like my family, you know, it was quick, it was a flash like that. Okay, anything else of import with this? Time. Okay, time is gone for me. Time. I am. Time is. How am I to know my children are good or are well? Okay, that's what she's feeling now. Okay, so, you know, I'm sure her family is sending her love and prayers right now. Their focus is on finding her body. Okay, so this we're going to put out there, okay, to Rita. How am I to know my children are well? Okay, so hopefully the family will send out whatever love and care and prayers to her, letting her know that her children are going to be fine. She's very concerned about them, of course. Okay, so this is a beautiful land, wow, that she lived in, huh? So it's moving that energy in her, you know, all that beauty, that mountain range, gosh, the seasons, all of it, you know, it's just working with that energy right now, okay? The land that Rita lived in. Hoping that this clears her hurt away in her heart and finds her to be in peace and love and light. And, you know, right now things are in that place where people just want some closure, and then they can look to, you know, look to healing in whatever way that comes, or to putting out their energy in prayer, or, you know, but they just, that's really what they're very focused on that now, which is part of this. So let's hope that her body is found. Is there anything else for this reading with Rita? No. Thank you for tuning in. Let's hope this comes to an end soon for Rita's family. Take care now. Bye.